I'm Miss Byrd and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi kids! Today we do lesson 1, but look at all those wonderful kids out there. They're so nice to see you. Beautiful eyes. I love the smiles. Everybody's smiling big. So I like to start with a song. Does that sound like fun? Yeah. And we'll hear a shaker hopefully, and that will tell us we can start. And is it coming yet? Not yet. Ah! I hear it. Ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zee. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Plenty of fun times headed our way. Hey, 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 ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zee. Oh, yay! Oh, that was so nice. I can't wait. So let's go ahead. So everybody, today is lesson number 1. We're going to do our letter lines. Yeah. Okay. And so Freddie likes to get the worksheets for us, right? Yeah. Just a second. Oh, here he goes. Is that right? I think it's upside down, Freddie. Oh. So he's learning just like you kids are, and he is such a good hard worker. Yeah. He's trying to get it up there. So everybody, I want you to have this worksheet up either on your desk. Everybody have this. It should have a blue line, a red dotted line, and a green line all the way across. Everybody, when you get this, I want you to hold this up to your camera on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Good. So next, put it down on your desk or table. And to start with, I want you to pick up the green crayon. Everybody. Ah, good, good, good. Oh, Freddie's favorite color. Yeah, yeah. Green. I wonder why. Green frog kind of thing. Yeah. Good, good, good. So pick it up on the count of 3. Green crayon. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up to your camera. Good. And let's start over here on the green arrow. Either way is fine. So you start over here, and this will be the green grass bottom line, and you trace that green line all the way across. That's kind of hard, huh? Yep. Lift. Put your crayon down. Next, I want you to pick up your red crayon. On the count of 3, hold up your red crayon. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. Good. Next, start over here with the red arrow right here. Point to it, Freddie. There, you got it. Okay. Well, do you want to point to it the whole time? No. It's hard to hold it there. Yeah. Okay. You hold it up there. Yeah. Okay, we'll start here and just make dots along that dotted line. This is the red dot middle line. Get to the end. You stop here and lift. Good. Next, I want you to pick up your blue sky crayon. On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, blue sky crayon up. Good. And then, oh, Freddie's like, uh-oh, I have to move. Yeah. Oh, he's scooting down. Over here, where the blue arrow is, yeah. Start here, and I want you to make the blue sky top line all the way across. Lift. Good job. Everybody, on the count of 3, hold it up to your camera. Ready? Freddie's going to help out with this, too. Ready? On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Whoa, everybody has it. The letter lines. This is your very first worksheet with me. So nice. Good, good, good. Freddie likes to watch all the kids. Yeah, we have such wonderful workers. I know, such good kids. Yeah. So let's go on to our next sheet. The next one's going to be a little bit harder. Okay, okay. I want you to do, the next sheet I want to do the letter house. And it looks like a house. Freddie, could you go get that worksheet? Kids, could you go get your worksheet too? Yeah, got it, got it. Oh, she's going to get it. It's hard work being a helper, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I'll help out a little bit. Good, good. Okay, so we're going to make those, look at this house. So you're going to see a house with a chimney up here and a little bit of smoke coming out of it. So we're going to start with those same letter lines. So first we're going to start with the green grass bottom line right here. Everybody, can you hold up your green grass bottom line crayon? Oh, Freddie wants to pull it over. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Good. And then, Freddie, can you point to where we start with this? Okay. Right there. Oh, there it is. See the green arrow? Okay, now he holds it again. So I want you to go ahead, start with this green arrow right here, and go ahead and trace that green line. That's the green grass bottom line. All the way across to the other line. Lift. Put your crayon down. Good. And next, I want you to hold up your red dot middle line. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. Good. Freddie, could you find where we start with this? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Oh, he's pointing to it. See the red arrow? Yeah. That's where you start. Oh, he's got to hold it again. So go ahead and start here on the red arrow, red dot middle line. Go all the way across. Good. Very nice. Next, we're going to do the blue top line here. That's the blue sky top line. Point to it, Freddie. Okay. Right there. Thank you. Good job. Thanks. So start here with the blue sky top line and come all the way across. Good. Lift. Very nice. Oh, Freddie. Thank you. So next we're going to make the house. Yes, we're going to make the house. So this is a blue sky, green grass bottom line. This is a red dot middle line and the blue sky top line. Can you say that with me? Green grass bottom line. One more time all together. Green grass bottom line. Use your finger, go across with it when we say it. This one is a red dot middle line. Use your finger, go across with me. Red dot middle line. Very nice. Good. Go all the way to the top. Freddie's pointing to it. The blue one. Go across with your finger. The blue sky top line. Lift. Very nice. Now in all of this, there's going to be a house we're going to make. Can you see it? And it shows the inside of the house too. All of this. This is downstairs. This is upstairs. And this is the basement. Not everybody has a basement, but if you're lucky, you might know what this is. Again, point to, I'll ask Freddie, maybe he can show me. Freddie, point to downstairs. Oh, all right. Well, that's a tree, Freddie. This downstairs, inside the house. Okay. There, good. Upstairs and downstairs. Very nice. Yeah, yeah. Very good. So we're going to go ahead and make the house. I want you to pick up your blue crayon. On the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Good. And right here where you see a little miniature house, I want you to start there, right there. Can you see that? Freddie's looking at me like I don't know. Freddie, you point to the little house. It's hard to find. That's it. There's a little teeny tiny, he's pointing to it. It's hard to see, huh? Little teeny tiny miniature house. You got it, Freddie. Start here. And you're going to follow the outside of the house, going all the way up to the blue sky top line. And then you're going to follow the roof of the line past the chimney to the very tippy top of the roof. And then go down to this other side. Stop. And you're going to go down the wall of the house. Stop. You scoot over a little bit. And now you're going to make the basement. So you just go straight down that wall of the basement. The bottom floor of the basement, and you follow that other line going back to the green grass bottom line. Lift. Very nice. We're all doing good. So we made a house. You made the downstairs, upstairs, here's the roof, and down here is the basement. Now this is going to be the fun part. Yeah. So what do you usually have downstairs in a house? Usually you have a kitchen, there's a stove, and there's a table. Oh, so I want to color those things. So we're going to color the downstairs portion. Freddie, point to the downstairs again. He knows what this is. So let's go ahead and do the downstairs. I'm going to make the table orange. And I want to make the stove yellow. I like yellow. And there's water coming out of the faucet here. And that's our downstairs area, right here, all that downstairs. Now if we go upstairs, go up the stairs, and you have two bedrooms. One has a little bed, one has a big bed. I bet you this could be yours, huh? Yeah, Freddie thinks so. Yeah, yeah. So I want you to color this bed, which could be your bed, your very favorite color. And I'm thinking Freddie might like, Freddie likes green. What's your other favorite color, Freddie? Okay, I know what it is. Yeah, yeah, red. Okay, I'll color your bed red, Freddie. Okay. So, but you pick your own color and make your bed red. And remember, this is upstairs. Usually the bedrooms are upstairs. Usually the kitchen is downstairs. But let's go back. And, ooh, look, that's a big, beautiful bed. What color do you want to make it, Freddie? Yellow. Okay, yellow. I'll make it yellow. Let's make this big bed a bright, happy yellow. That's probably your mom and dad's bed. That might be nice. Very nice. Good. So we have upstairs where you have your bed and your parents' bed. Downstairs is the kitchen. There's a table to sit at. And if you go into the basement, go down the stairs. Here's the basement. And what do you have in a basement? Sometimes you have a bicycle. What color bicycle, Freddie? I got it. You are thinking blue. Okay. So here's a blue bicycle. You can pick any color you want to make your bicycle. Somebody apparently is working out, so there's some weights down here. And there's some boxes. Oh, somebody's storing some boxes, maybe for Christmas, maybe? Gifts, that would be nice. Christmas decorations. Woohoo! Very fun. So there's boxes down here. You store them in down here in the basement. So let's go back up here. So we're in the basement, so go back upstairs. Now this is downstairs. And go back up the stairs again. And now you have upstairs, where the bedrooms are. There's your beds. Back downstairs, kitchen. And down in the basement, storage and maybe a bicycle or equipment. So everybody, I want you to show this to me on the count of 3. Hold it up to your camera. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Oh, looking so nice. So this is just our very first lesson with me, Miss Byrd, and Freddie the Frog. And so we're just going to finish this one up with a song. You can put it down, Freddie. Okay. And we have an ending song that we like to sing. Yeah. And we'll go ahead and start it. You'll learn it too as you go along. Let's go. Let's hit it. Wait a minute. We have to wait for the shaker. Is there a shaker? Yeah. Coming. I hear it. Ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zay. So nice seeing you. We love to see you play. Oh yeah, plenty of fun times. I'll see you next time. Ziminy zee, yeah, ziminy zay. Oh yay. See you next time. Nice to see you. Bye, kids.